Oh, Little Bluebird, a rhyming poem. A video presentation written and recited by Ken Allen Dronsfield. Enjoy this short poem. Thank you. Oh, little bluebird, a scryer for snowflakes and seed, grasping bare branches in the trees, where a feeder hangs carefree. Bluebird, why are you here today? The air's so cold and the sky's so gray. Soon you'll be gone on your way. The sun is warm down south, I heard. Be careful of those raptor birds. Fly swift and they'll be deterred. We'll miss your lovely songs of cheer. Our spirit reaps no rainbows here. If sad eyes have shed no tears.